Alright guys, so we're back with another one, no cap. So, but look, I just hate getting gas. I just honestly just don't like pumping gas no more, bro. Gas is too high and it's just annoying. Like, if you guys feel the same way, comment down below. McDonald's shawty? I need to get like a GoPro or something. Let me shave off some of the wind. Woo! This guy wants to smoke? I don't think he wants to smoke. Oh, it's just a girl, bro. My car is doing some funny stuff lately, bro. I think I'm gonna have to fix it. I don't know what. But have you guys like ever pulled your car and then it like stops pulling, like it cuts off the gas? Like, it's been doing that a lot and I don't even know what it is. I think it's because I'm running on low gas all the time. Like, I just filled it up right now. It doesn't seem like it's doing it, so we're pretty good. Like, I ain't gonna lack for you guys no more. Okay guys, so we're just waiting for my sister, no cap. She's gonna come in, she's gonna record me doing some more pulls, and then we're gonna call it a video because this video is getting too long. And it's really not much, I'm just doing pulls. But I hope you guys like it because it is content at the end of the day, I ain't gonna lie. Hey, say hi.
Hi.
Hey, what's up?
I'll say it's cold.
Right away, just hold the camera.
Nah, cool no. You haven't even get into the car, but you want me to hold camera. Move from here, so. Here's the sunset. The sunset.
Okay,
oh, please. I'm an amazing vlogger, unlike this one.
Record me driving and...
Who cares about you driving?
But yeah, guys, like, I've been doing lots of pulls and stuff. I just gave you like a good shot of the car, to be honest, but look, this is a short video of me just doing pulls, doing whatever. Like, we're not really doing anything too crazy. I don't feel like drifting. I'll probably drift in another video for you guys. Yeah, show them the steering. Like put on an angle where you can see the steering wheel and where I'm driving. No, yeah, like that. Clean as hell. I ain't gonna lie, guys. I can't wait till I get like my full actual exhaust. That would be... Oh, I should go in the city for you guys so you guys can hear the echo off the wall. Okay, we're gonna do some illegal stuff. Works out, works out, works out. Okay, can stop. Alright guys, so we're here, nightly pull, yes sir. First gear, you guys wanna hear this? Shaka boom boom. That's what's gonna sound like, though. Now that was cool as shit. That was cool as shit, eh?
Stop! Like that, you lunatic, bro.
Watch this downshift. Watch this crispy downshift. Oh my. Ah!
Nick, like, take me on the car then, bro. Like, drop me off so I can get Tim Hortons. Bro, content, my bimpidin.
Oh, tu papi monyeño.
It's up teeth in people's things.
You're such a loser.
You're a loser.
Yo, can you do something for me?
No.
Can you come out of the car?
No.
Please, I'll spin around the block and you get it recorded. Yes.
I ain't coming out with all these
Please.